Hi friends, we have a job notification in Institute of Forest and Biodiversity. Recruitment notification is there. We have three types of notifications here. One is stenographer grade 2, and it is total vacancies are only one vacancy is there. So eligibility criteria is it is 12th class certificate from the recognized board, and one second qualification is a minimum speed of English and Hindi based on the competitive of the examination. So they will conduct one examination on that, and you have to maintain the minimum speed. That is second point. And third point to apply this job is certificate course in a computer application typing speed 5K 5 key depression for each word. So you will get the certificate from computer institutions, any organized registered computer organizations. So you will get that. So for this, so the age criteria, so age must be in 18 to 27 years till that examination date. The last date is 24th November. So we have several days for this. And one more thing is next second job is we have lower LDC post, lower divisional clerk. It is level 2, so its pay is 1900 grade pay, so it's around 30 to 40,000. So we have only one post is there, that is OBC. So for this eligibility criteria is the 12th class certificate, so intermediate is important, and 12th class. And second eligibility is typing speed must be 30 words per English or 25 words in Hindi. So that should be, you should have a certificate for that. So this is also the age criteria is it is 18 to 27. Now the third important job is from that is multitasking staff, MTS. So it is level 1, so grade pay is 1800. So we have post unreserved 3 is, and one is EWS, economically weaker section, we have one, and OBC we have one. So essential qualification is only 10th class is essential for this. So here one word is mentioned, desirable 3 years or more experience in relevant trade. So this is optional, not compulsory. So everybody can apply, those who are age is 18 to 27. And one important point is here, we have age limit is there, so 18 to 27, whereas if caste SC/ST is there, so 5 years relaxation will be there, and for OBC it is mentioned 3 years. Okay, so for this, and we will see how to apply the job. The application fees is here, so we should have 300 rupees demand draft. So it is there is no online examination for this, online submission is not there. So we have to take a DD in favor of Director, Institute of Forest Biodiversity, payable at Hyderabad, and we should send that one format is there. In that format you should fill up and you should send it. Okay, plan of examination, that format is there in the ending that we discussed. Then here the plan of examination. So what is that plan? Is a competitive written examination. So they will conduct an examination. In that the toppers will be listed out 1:5 ratios on the basis of merit of the written examination. So the written examination will be the qualifying marks is given in the written examination. So general category should get 50% marks, the qualifying marks, and OBC will be 45, and SC/ST they should get 40%. Now we'll see what is the examination procedure here. So general instructions it is, you can see, and we'll go for the examination syllabus and examination pattern. Okay, now we see the syllabus of the examination. It is for stenographer grade 2. There will be objective type question paper comprising 2 multiple choice questions in total from different subjects of recruitment stenographer grade. So duration of the examination will be 2 hours. In that 200 questions will be there. So in that 50 marks is general awareness and general intelligence for 50 marks, and English language it is 100 marks. So totally it is 200 marks. So 200 questions they will give 2 hours. That means 180 minutes. Okay. And skill proficiency test, candidates qualified in written examination for the post of stenographer grade 2 will be called for the skill test on the basis of merit and written examination in the ratio of 1:5. So first we have to face the examination. After that you will be shortlisted 1:5 ratio. This is about first examination. And second one is LDC, that is lower divisional clerk. So it is 1.5 hour. 1.5 hour means it is 90 minutes, 100 questions. In that the syllabus is quantitative aptitude, that is basic arithmetic skills, 25 marks, and language English basic knowledge is 25, and general awareness it is 25, and general intelligence 25. So each one is 1 mark here. And one more thing is we will discuss in the next video all the competitive topics, all the syllabus, and exactly what will be there in the syllabus we will discuss in the next video. So skill proficiency test also the same as discussed in the previous exam. So that will be, it will be shortlisted into 1:5 ratio. So next one is the third one, multitasking staff. So it will be 1.5 hour, again 100 multiple questions are there. In that reasoning ability 25, numerical ability, and general English 25. So general awareness is 25. So these are all in the within the standard of 10th class only. You don't get bother about, you will have so much material in the online and offline also, so you will get it. And very important thing is that, so here for all the 3 examinations each question carry 1 mark, and 1/4 will be deducted of each incorrect answer. If you do one wrong question, so it will be deducted 1.25, that is 1/4. That means if you do mistake of 4 questions you will lose 1 mark. So if you know the answer, then only we have to go through it, otherwise we do not touch the questions. So unknowingly we should not attempt any questions. That will be the important of this examination. So in our next video, and the place of the, and this is the format of application. So this you take a printout and you fill up clearly and post it with your demand draft clearly. So it is there. So we are sharing this website details and everything in our YouTube video. Check it and you can take the application form. And if you have any queries in this video and any in examination, please mention it and we will definitely clear your doubts. Okay, thank you for watching movie. Please subscribe our channel for latest update on government jobs. Thank you.